Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows cannot start this hardware device code 19. Click Start, Settings, click Accessibility, click Keyboard. Turn on Onscreen keyboard. Click Regedit, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand H-key local machine, click and expand system. Click and expand current control set, click and expand control. Click and expand class. Select key displayed on screen. Double-click default. Click keyboard. Open upper filters. Click KBD class. Right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Keyboards, right-click Keyboards, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.